We've come across many exquisite watches at Les Ambassadeurs, but we've rarely seen anything like the GNS 1.2 watches by independent watchmaker GENUS. We have in our hands today the GNS 1.2 T5 Rainbow Moving Minutes, which combines spectacular artistry and mechanical ingenuity to create an original way to display the time. As always, we've included all the product specifications in the description box so you can check them out later. We always love to hear from our viewers, so please drop us a comment below. If you have any questions about this watch or any other GENUS timepiece for that matter, ask us in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. But for now, keep on watching as we go hands-on with the GENUS Rainbow Moving Minutes and reveal all the unique details this impressive high horology timepiece has to offer. As an authorized retailer of GENUS, Les Ambassadeurs offers a large collection of the latest GENUS models, including this GENUS Rainbow Moving Minutes. Explore this timepiece at Les Ambassadeurs Espace Connaisseur Lounge in Geneva at Rue du Rhône, in Zurich at one of the most exclusive shopping avenues in the world at Bahnhofstrasse, or in the beautiful city of Lucerne at Kappelplatz, or visit our online store at lesambassadeurs.ch. Established in 2019 by master watchmaker Sébastien Billière and brilliant businesswoman Catherine Henry, GENUS is a young independent Swiss watchmaking brand based in Geneva, Switzerland. While the brand is relatively new, its first production watch, the GENUS GNS 1.2, was awarded the prestigious Mechanical Exception Prize at the 2019 Grand Prix d'Horlogerie de Genève. Quite a feat for its first year of operation. Son of a watchmaker, Sébastien Billière began his own career directly under the master Roger Dubuis in 1999. His career since then has included working at Uhrwerk, where he was part of the Harry Winston Opus 5 project team with Felix Baumgartner. Sébastien Billière's extensive experience now fuels his innovative approach to watchmaking at GENUS, as illustrated by the cutting-edge GNS 1.2 watch collection. Boasting 2 patents, the GNS 1.2 watch offers a unique way to display the time, characterized by a train of mechanical elements that move seamlessly from one orbit to another. The GENUS GNS 1.2 T5 Rainbow Moving Minutes is a vibrant iteration of the original GNS 1.2 watch, now featuring a titanium case and a rainbow of precious stones that move at the center of the dial. Like all GENUS GNS 1.2 watches, the hours are shown on an outer ring that rotates clockwise. A small and stationary red arrow at 9 o'clock indicates the hour. At the center, there's the tens of minutes display, comprised of 2 rotating minute rings, both of which rotate once every 30 minutes. The upper ring has the 10, 50, and 60 minute indications, while the bottom one has the 20, 30, and 40 minute ones. Then, there's the serpent-like flexible chain with 12 linked elements that travels over a figure 8 path across this pair of minute rings. Figure 8 also symbolizes infinity. If we continuously turn the unlocked winding crown to speed up the process, we can see this action clearly. Simply mesmerizing. The tens of minutes is shown by the lead traveling indicator, which the brand calls the GENUS. In this particular model, the GENUS is a loop-clean, step-cut, top Wesselton diamond, followed by 11 colorful high-quality stones that are untreated and unheated. The weight of the 12 stones is approximately 1.68 carats, and each is cut in the shape of a losange and is held in place with an invisible setting. Adjusting the stones to maintain the fluid movement of the free element is a long and meticulous process that requires the utmost precision. Finally, at the 3 o'clock position, there's another rotating ring with the numbers 1 to 10, which shows the exact minute within the 10-minute interval displayed by the flexible chain. The drama of the dial is further enhanced by the open-worked movement, which is manual winding and offers about 50 hours of power reserve. In contrast to the avant-garde design visible from the dial side, the view of the movement from the transparent caseback remains quite classic, echoing the style of pocket watches. Naturally, the movement, which includes 406 components and 26 rubies, is exquisitely hand-decorated and finished with a mix of beveled, polished, and grain-finished surfaces. The GENUS GNS1.2 T5 watch offers a grade 5 titanium case that measures 43 mm in diameter and 14.3 mm thick. The winding crown is fashioned from 18-karat gold and decorated with the company's name in relief, as well as an engraving of the brand's lower G logo. The lack of a bezel allows for an expansive view of the dial. If we look at the sides of the case, we see the curved silhouette of the watch, amplified by both the domed boxed sapphire crystal that sits above the dial and the arched lugs. The GNS 1.2 has fantastic wrist presence thanks to its generous dimensions and bold dial design. However, despite its generous size, it's a comfortable watch to wear, particularly since it's made from lightweight titanium. Plus, the khaki calfskin strap is integrated into the C-shaped case for optimal comfort. Although the GNS 1.2 Rainbow Moving Minutes is undoubtedly playful, it is made possible by some serious horology under the hood. It combines high watchmaking and high jewelry techniques into one head-turning timepiece. This is a timepiece made for enthusiasts of modern haute horlogerie who appreciate creativity, whimsy, and above all else, originality. Not only is it entirely manufactured in the GENUS workshop in Geneva, but everything was also custom-made for the GNS 1.2 model from scratch. The titanium GENUS GNS 1.2 T5 with rainbow-colored gems on the dial is priced at 185,700 Swiss francs. Les Ambassadeurs is proud to have this beautiful GENUS Rainbow Moving Minutes watch available for you. If you haven't already, visit Les Ambassadeurs' website and shop from our online store at your convenience. You can even take advantage of our super-fast flash delivery service, where we can deliver a watch within 3 hours to any location in Switzerland. Yes, that's right, in just 3 hours. What do you think of the GNS 1.2 T5 Rainbow Moving Minutes timepiece? What was something that impressed you the most about this timepiece? We always love to hear from our viewers, so please drop us a comment below. If you have any questions about this watch or any other GENUS timepiece for that matter, ask us in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest watch reviews from Les Ambassadeurs, please subscribe to our channel, click the bell button and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.